Welcome to your software engineering interview. Could you explain what an API is? An application programming interface is actually super simple. It is just a way for two applications to talk to each other without knowing anything about what's happening inside. Think of it like a waiter. You tell with the waiter what you want, and the waiter takes your request to the kitchen. The kitchen does all the magic, and the waiter comes back with your food. You never step inside the kitchen and don't even want to. Makes sense. Can you give me a coding example? Let's say you are building a weather application. You don't want to build your own weather prediction system, so you call the weather API. You send something like, give me a weather in Vienna, and the API responds with a nice little JSON telling that it is cold and depressing. But what does the API actually look like? Usually it is just a URL, something like /weather city equal Vienna. You hit it and get the response, and boom, you have your data. Okay, but how does the server know what I'm allowed to do? It's where the authentication comes in. Most API give you a API key. Think of it like your VIP badge. Without it, you are not getting into any endpoint. With it, you can do everything they allow, nothing more. What if too many people start calling my API? Then you add rate limiting basically rules like user can only call the API 100 times per minute. Otherwise, someone will spam your API. Why do developers love API so much? Because API lets you build complex applications without reinventing anything. Payments, you use Stripe API. Maps, use Google Maps API. Instead of building 100 of systems, you just plug into these ones that already exist. So basically API are just contracts? Exactly. They're rules of how systems talk.